This is my grandson, Daryl. Say hi, Daryl. Say hi, Daryl. What you doing, huh? Huh? What you doing, Daryl? This is my grandson, Daryl. He's now 8 months. Just want y'all to see. What you doing, Daryl? Huh? Daryl, look at the people. Look at the other carvers out there. Smile for him. Smile for him, Daryl. Look, Daryl. Look. You having a good time? Huh?